For those of you who are not professional actors, there's 3 ways that I would recommend to deliver your message on camera. First, you can talk directly to the camera. And in those instances, I would recommend memorizing your lines or using a teleprompter like I'm doing right now. The next option is interview style. Now in that situation, you would look at the person who is interviewing you, not directly into the lens, and answer their questions. So you would kind of look like this. That's how it would look. And the other option is to avoid being an on-camera talking head and choose to do a narrative track instead, which then gets covered with visuals during editing to match or complement what you're speaking about in your narrative. Contact Klein Creative Media today to get your video started.